Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another interesting video. So our wait is over to seeing the officially and real Asus upcoming smartphone picture and some short videos. As you can see on your screen, this is the Asus ROG Phone 3 latest short videos, and these are the some pictures as well. So the specs and image is surfaced now. Information about the upcoming Asus ROG Phone 3 so far has been limited, but with the launch approaching, we are bound to get more detail. Today, a reliable leak star delivered a bunch of images and some key specs. According to the rumored, Asus next flagship gaming phone will support a 6.59-inch FHD Plus OLED panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate. So this is the second 144 Hz refresh rate smartphone. First one, the Nubia Red Magic 5G. So this smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset, whopping 16 gigs of RAM, and a massive 6000 mAh battery capable of 30-watt fast charging. And as per tradition, the phone will employ a binary Snapdragon 865 chipset with the higher clock. We suspect that the main Carrier 585 core is one thing going to be clocked at 3.09 GHz as opposite to the 2.84 GHz clocked on the standard version of the CPU. As for the images, there is one official render and a hands-on shot of the back. The front lacks any cutouts or holes and has a symmetrical bezels on the top and bottom, while the back is fairly similar to the previous ROG Phone 2 with the patented glass back, LED ROG logo on the middle, and the horizontal camera alignment. The camera module, however, is now different shape and it's look like it stick out a bit more than before. It also long enough to accommodate it 3 cameras instead of a 2, leading us to believe that it will have a telephoto camera in addition to the normal and ultra wide ones this time around. It's going to be hefty device through, as the leak star sits 9.85mm thickness and 240 grams weight. When you consider the advanced cooling and huge battery, is actually a very good achievement through. So guys, this is the first look of the Asus upcoming ROG 3 smartphone. 16GB RAM and 144 Hz refresh rate display. This is amazing, and it's lot of the gamer is love this phone because lots of gamer love the Asus ROG Phone 2 and they're waiting for the upcoming smartphone, the Asus ROG Phone 3. So make sure to guys like this video and let me know in the comment section, are you want to buy this smartphone when this smartphone is launched? So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe and channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.